Imagine biting into a piece of crispy chicken, drenched in a sweet and tangy sesame sauce, garnished with a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Sesame chicken is a beloved gem in Asian cuisine, a harmony of textures and flavors that's truly irresistible. Today, discover how to bring this Asian classic to your own kitchen. To recreate this masterpiece, gather these ingredients: boneless chicken for the protein base, cornstarch and eggs for the crisp coating, sesame seeds for that crunch, soy sauce, vinegar, sugar for the sweet tangy sauce, and chicken broth for extra richness. With these ingredients on hand, it's time to embark on a culinary journey. Start by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces and coating them in a mixture of cornstarch and beaten eggs. Now let's get that skillet sizzling and fry these coated pieces until they're golden and crispy. The aroma alone is enough to make your mouth water. Next, let's create that sweet and savory sauce that gives sesame chicken its signature taste. In a separate bowl, combine soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and chicken broth. Stir it all together until it's perfectly blended. Now here comes the fun part. Take your crispy golden chicken and toss it in the sauce. Make sure every piece is coated. You don't want any of them to miss out on this flavor-packed journey. And then, the final touch to this masterpiece. Sprinkle a generous portion of toasted sesame seeds over the saucy chicken. The seeds add a delightful crunch and a nutty flavor that ties everything together. Finish off with a generous sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds, and you've got yourself a plate of irresistible sesame chicken. In just a few simple steps, you've created a dish that's sure to impress. From gathering ingredients, to frying the chicken, to glazing it with sweet sesame sauce, you've mastered sesame chicken. So go ahead, take a bite, and transport your senses to the vibrant streets of Asia. Until next time, keep exploring the world of flavors.